The golden rule of marketing is to test and measure absolutely every single piece of marketing that you do, and that's really important on a website. So say for example the homepage of your website had your main product on it that you were really trying to push to the customer, and you could buy it on the homepage of your website. And then it had links perhaps to other areas of your website there. But imagine what would happen if your homepage didn't look like that. What would happen if your homepage had, I don't know, 30 or 40 products on it, much smaller of course, that you could buy? Would that be more effective than the other version of your homepage? Now, normally this is something that you just don't know. But using split testing, you can test this really, really effectively, because what happens is 50% of customers will see one version of your web page, 50% will see another version of your web page, and then the cart will show you how much money you made from each version of your web page. And that's really important, because then what you do is you use the successful version of your web page, and you can modify it again if you wish to split test it against another one that's perhaps learning from what was good about that page. You can optimize it even further and see how much better you can make those results again. And this is what separates websites that make huge amounts of money from websites that make a lot less. It's just optimizing all of the web pages to make sure that they're optimized for selling. So if we just click on create new split test here, this is how you can set it up. Split test name, let's just call it homepage, and let's say the URL of the main page is homepage, and let's call the next one homepage 2. You click on save, and that's essentially it. It shows here how many people have visited the main page, how many have seen the split page, and of course if they come back to your website again, they'll see the same page they saw last time. It uses cookies to remember which page they should be shown, and the sales count, how many have been sold on each one of those pages, and the value of those sales. Now you click on view here, and you can, this is how you set it up, as it says here, to add this to your web page, which has the URL of the main page above. So you just go to the code for that page there, and you paste this piece of code here just before the close head tag on that page, and that's it. It will automatically redirect 50% of your customers to the split page, and you can activate and deactivate this split by clicking on the no entry sign there. That will become a tick, and so you can switch it on and off really easily just by doing that. And so if you want to not do the split test for a while, you can switch that off, and that will immediately, everyone will just see the main page. And also you can delete split test there as well. So I'm sure you can see it's really, really useful, and it will help you optimize your pages so that you get the maximum sales from each one of your pages.